Hello everyone, welcome back to our discussion about gradients, and in this video we shall be discussing the gradient formula. Now before I tell you the gradient formula, let's see how it gets derived. First step, draw the rectangular axis, the x-axis and the y-axis, and now draw any random straight lines. First thing you need to do is to mark any two random points, and you can name them x1, y1 and x2, y2. And as explained in the previous video, you need to draw the imaginary x step and the y step to meet at right angles. Now if you look clearly into the graph, you will be able to see that the y step, its length is actually equal to y2 minus y1, and the horizontal step's length is actually x2 minus x1. Now you can simply use the formula we had discussed before. The gradient m is equal to the y step divided by the x step, the ratio. Since the length of y step is y2 minus y1, we can write that in the numerator, and we can write x2 minus x1 in the denominator. This expression, this whole formula, can find the gradient between any two random points anywhere on the graph. All you need is the coordinates of those 2 points. Now let's see how the gradient formula works with an example. Let us take any two random points. Let the point A be 2, 3 and let the point B be 5, 6. Now the only thing you need to do is to assign them variables. As you know, our formula had x2, x1, y2, y1. So all you need to do is assign the coordinates to these 2 points. So let's assume that the point A is actually x1, y1 and the point B is actually having the coordinates x2, y2. Now apply the gradient formula. Gradient m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So all you need to do is substitute the values. y2 is actually 6 minus y1 is 3, x2 is 5 and x1 is 2. So you get the answer as 1. Hence the gradient of the line connecting A and B is 1. Now for our next video, we'll be learning how to find gradient through equation of a line.